Welcome to this tutorial on using Instacart for the first time in 2025. Instacart is a popular grocery delivery and pickup service that allows you to shop from your favorite stores and have your groceries delivered to your doorstep. To get started with Instacart, first download the Instacart app from the App Store on your device. Once the app is downloaded, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, enter your zip code to find out which stores are available in your area. Instacart partners with a wide range of stores, including popular grocery stores and pharmacies. Next, select the store you want to shop from and start browsing the available products. You can search for specific items, browse by category, or view the weekly ad for sales and promotions. As you shop, add items to your cart and proceed to checkout when you are ready. At checkout, you will be prompted to enter your delivery address and select a delivery time that works for you. Instacart offers a range of delivery options, including same-day delivery, 1-hour delivery, and delivery at a later time. You can also select the contactless delivery option if you prefer. Before completing your order, review your cart to ensure everything is correct and make any necessary changes. You will also be prompted to enter any promo codes or discounts you may have. Once you have completed your order, you will receive an email confirmation with details about your delivery. You can track the status of your order in the app and receive updates when your shopper starts shopping and when your order is on its way. To get the most out of Instacart, be sure to take advantage of sales and promotions, use coupons and discounts, and rate your shopping experience to help Instacart improve their service. By following these steps, you can easily use Instacart for the first time and enjoy the convenience of grocery delivery and pickup.